Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Niro and Hyundai Tucson. We'll explore how these popular compact SUVs stack up against each other, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. We'll look at their key differences in efficiency, space, and overall driving experience. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle is the better choice for your needs. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Kia Niro truly shines, with its hybrid model often achieving an outstanding 53 miles per gallon combined. The Hyundai Tucson, while also offering efficient hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, provides a broader range of gasoline engines. If maximizing your miles per gallon is your top priority, the Niro typically holds an advantage, especially in its hybrid configurations. Moving inside, the Hyundai Tucson generally offers more interior space, particularly for cargo. You'll find over 38 cubic feet of cargo volume behind its rear seats, which is quite generous. The Kia Niro, while still practical, provides around 22 cubic feet of cargo space. Both vehicles comfortably accommodate 5 passengers, but the Tucson often feels a bit more expansive, especially for rear seat occupants on longer journeys. The driving experience differs between these two. The Kia Niro feels more agile and responsive, making it excellent for city driving and tight maneuvers. The Hyundai Tucson, being a bit larger, offers a smoother and more composed ride, which is often preferred for highway cruising. Both vehicles present strong value propositions, with competitive starting prices. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize maximum fuel efficiency and agility, or greater space and a more traditional SUV feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.